welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I mistakenly deleted the intro for this video. Anyways, I'm making jigsaw puzzle today, and for that I'm using these 4 popsicles and setting this in a frame like this. And as this frame doesn't have any base for the pieces, so I'm gonna stick a piece of cardboard like this to the frame. So after removing the excess of cardboard, the base of our puzzle is finally ready, and the next step is preparing pieces for our puzzle. So the one thing you should keep in mind while doing this, that these pieces should be straight and not curvy, because it will get difficult to work with. So the next and my favorite part is painting. So yeah, I ended up painting panda for this, which is my favorite animal. You can simply solve this as a simple puzzle, but if you want your puzzle to more difficult, you can chop this to a small pieces like I did. So yeah, it's time for solving. So this thing kept me busy for a while, and if you make these pieces even more smaller, then it might take you more longer than it took to me. It depends upon you totally. So this is a great fun to do. Yeah, I love this.